with Uncle Rory. You gonna get him? You get him. Get him, Freckles. Oh, I got it. Are you ready? Okay. Are you ready to play fetch with Uncle Rory, Freckles? Rory, come here. No, you're just waiting, aren't you? Okay, ready? Shoot! Go! Yay, Rory! Freckles, here comes Uncle Rory! Whoa, I know. He came running back, didn't he? I know, it's so exciting. Okay, are you ready? Wait, get ready. Go! Better go, Freckles. Come on back. Freckles. Follow him back. Rory, you're so silly. Hi, Freckles. Oh, I know, it's so exciting.